Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how I make a king prawn balti in a hot sauce from scratch. Sizzling fresh king prawns cooked in a fiery, hot and spicy sauce of ground chilies and spices. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. I'm going to make a puree to begin with, so add the onions, tomato puree, lemon juice, chilli powder, coriander powder, salt, turmeric, whole green chillies, the fresh coriander and water into a food processor. Blend for about 1 minute. Heat the oil in a deep round bottom frying pan, balti bowl or karahi until smoking. Lower the heat slightly, then add the spice mixture. Fry the mixture for 3 to 5 minutes or until the sauce has thickened slightly and the oil begins to separate. Add in the prawns and continue to fry over a high heat. There is no need to stir often with this dish, as you want to achieve some great sticky caramelization around the edges of the bowl to mop up later. As soon as the prawns are heated through and the sauce is the thickness you require, garnish with some fresh coriander and chopped green chilli. You can now have this dish with as much sauce as you prefer, but remember, baltis are normally quite reduced dishes. Grab your naan and enjoy. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.